what is interpretation and why Python is called interpreted programming language? First of all, interpretation means suppose if you write a program, if you define the code, it has n number of lines. N number of lines of code you have written in this one is a line 1, line 2, like that. N number of lines of code you have written. This is called actually source code. Python source code is a program. You can say with any name, code, source code extension is py. Interpretation means what? Whenever you run this application, first it will check only the first line is correct or not. If the first line is correct, first it will check, it will translate, and it will run. After running, it will give the output. Next, it will check the second line. If the second line is correct, it will execute and will give you the output. Like that, it is keep on checking. Suppose here there is an error. Then here, the program execution stops. Program stops here. See, for example, I'm doing like this. I'm taking just variable a equals to 10, b equals to 20. I'm printing a value, I'm printing b value, and I'm printing this c value. Here checking OK, it will allocate the memory for a. It will allocate memory for b. A is there, so it will print. B is there, it will print. Here, it will give you the error message. That is interpretation. How many lines of code correct? You will get the output for those many lines. It will stop execution only when there is an error. That is called interpretation.